Hello, welcome to Mati's Cookbook. Follow and subscribe the channel for more recipes. Today's recipe is a simple and easy rusk halwa. These are the ingredients we need to make this quick and tasty rusk halwa. In a small bowl, add 1 pinch of saffron threads. To this, add 2 tablespoons of warm milk. Let it soak in the milk for about 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, add 7 to 8 pieces of rusk in a mixer jar. Pulse them to a coarse powder like this. Set them aside. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee to it. Let the ghee melt. Once the ghee is ready, add about 8 pieces of cashew and begin to roast them until golden brown. Make sure to roast the cashew nuts in a medium-low flame. I have used only cashews for this. If you like, you can also add other nuts and some raisins too. Remove the cashew from the ghee and set it aside. In the leftover ghee, add the powdered rusk and begin to roast them for about 1 to 2 minutes until the color begins to change and a nice aroma comes out. Make sure to roast the powdered rusk in a very low flame to avoid any burnt smell. In this stage, slowly add 3/4 of cup of milk in interval. Here I have used boiled milk that has cooled down to room temperature. Add the rest of the milk to the powdered rusk and keep mixing them continuously to avoid any lumps. Now we can see the milk is completely absorbed by the rusk powder. In this stage, add 1/4 cup of sugar and keep stirring. I have used only 1/4 cup of sugar. You can also increase the quantity of sugar if you'd like. But always make sure that the rusk already has some sugar in it. Hence, avoid using more sugar for this halwa. Add the soaked saffron milk and mix them continuously. Addition of saffron milk is completely optional, but it definitely elevates the taste of this halwa and its flavor too. Now start adding ghee in intervals. I have used a total of 4 tablespoons of ghee for this entire halwa. Make sure to add them in intervals in between few minutes of stirring. Keep cooking the halwa until it comes to a stage where the halwa does not stick anymore to the pan. Now we can see we are almost at the finishing stage of this halwa. Note, the halwa does not stick anymore to the bottom of the pan. This is the right consistency that we needed. Add the roasted cashew nuts to the halwa and give it a quick mix. Now, rusk halwa is ready. Serve them warm with more nuts of your choice. Rusk halwa is now ready. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.